Will Hedera price crash as stablecoin supply and app revenue decline? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let's talk about price Hbar. As of April 2nd, 2026, the total market cap is $3.75 billion, with a change of minus 3.53% in the last 24 hours. The price of Hbar today is $0.085. The 24-hour trading volume is $73.29 million. The circulating supply of Hbar is 43.32 billion, with a maximum supply of 50.00 billion. Hbar ranks 24 by market cap. The highest price in the last 24 hours is $0.09071. The lowest price in the last 24 hours is $0.08586. Let's analyze the price of Hedera. Hedera is down 3.56% to $0.0866 in 24 hours, closely tracking a broader market downturn primarily driven by macro risk-off sentiment. The move reflects both beta to Bitcoin and market-wide risk-off sentiment. Hedera's decline mirrors a 2.96% drop in total crypto market cap, with Bitcoin falling 3.27%. The FOMC Fear and Greed Index sits at 27, reflecting broad risk aversion attributed to geopolitical concerns, pushing capital away from risk assets like crypto. What it means? Hbar acted as a high beta asset in a risk-off environment, lacking independent momentum to decouple from the market downturn. Watch for shifts in the Fear and Greed Index and Bitcoin's ability to hold above $66,000. Weak on-chain and ecosystem fundamentals. Network health has deteriorated, with DeFi app revenue down nearly 70% from prior highs and total stablecoin supply falling 6% to $52.71 million in the past week. This indicates lower user activity and capital outflow from the ecosystem. What it means: the price drop is compounded by fading utility demand, making Hbar more vulnerable to selling pressure. Watch for a reversal in stablecoin supply or a spike in daily active addresses to signal returning network demand. Near-term market outlook. Technically, price is below all key moving averages. 7-day SMA at $0.0887, with RSI at 40.5, showing bearish momentum without being oversold. Immediate support is the $0.087 level, which aligns with a recent pivot point. What it means: the structure remains bearish, and low volume suggests a lack of conviction from buyers. Watch for a daily close below $0.087 to confirm continuation towards $0.083. A reclaim above the 7-day SMA would be the first sign of seller exhaustion. What about Hedera news and catalysts? Will Hedera price crash as stablecoin supply and app revenue decline? Hedera price has been in a downtrend over the past month as the token continues to be bruised by the geopolitical concerns that have pushed investors away from risk assets. According to data from Crypto.news, Hedera minus 5.35%. Hedera price fell to a 6-week low of $0.083 on Tuesday, down over 12% in the past month and over 20% from its year-to-date high. Hedera price fell amid weakness in its underlying ecosystem activity as key performance indicators started to flash red. Data from DeFi Llama shows that revenue generated by DeFi apps on the network had slumped nearly 70% from the previous month's high. A drop in app revenue means that a lower number of users are interacting with the Hedera ecosystem, signaling weakening demand for its decentralized applications and reduced overall network usage. Third-party data also show that the total supply of stablecoins on the network has fallen 6% over the past 7 days to $52.71 million. Declining stablecoin supply typically reflects reduced liquidity and capital inflows on the network, further reinforcing signs of slowing activity. Hedera price has also remained in a downtrend due to reduced investor appetite for risk assets amid the ongoing U.S.-Iran war that has led to a flight to more traditional safe haven assets such as gold and U.S. equities. Technical indicators also appear to portray a bearish outlook for Hedera price in the upcoming sessions. Notably, the Bollinger Bands have begun to narrow, with the price trading below the middle band, suggesting contracting volatility while the short-term trend remains tilted to the downside. The Arun down is at 92.86%, while the Arun up remains at 0%, indicating strong downward momentum and that a recent low has likely been established within the current trend. Can Hbar reclaim the $0.0903 resistance level to invalidate the immediate bearish structure? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Let us know in the comments what you think about Hedera, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest Hedera news. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your time.